Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Ava. Have you listened to any good music lately?
Hey, Ethan. Yeah, I've been really into indie rock recently. I can't stop listening to Arctic Monkeys. How about you?
I've been jamming to some classic jazz. Miles Davis has been my go-to. There's something timeless about his music. Do you play any instruments?
I play a little guitar. It's a great way to unwind after a long day. What about you?
I play the piano. It's like therapy for me. Do you prefer listening to live music or recordings?
Live music, definitely. There's an energy at concerts that you just can't get from a recording. How about you?
Same here. Concerts are such a unique experience. What's the best concert you've ever been to?
I saw Coldplay live a couple of years ago. The atmosphere was electric. What's yours?
I saw John Mayer live. His guitar skills are out of this world. Speaking of concerts, have you ever been to a music festival?
Yes, I went to Coachella last year. It was amazing. Have you been to any?
I went to Lollapalooza. It was such a blast. So many great artists in one place. Do you have a favorite artist?
Right now, I'd say Hozier. His voice is just incredible. Who's your favorite?
It's hard to choose, but I'd go with Stevie Wonder. His music is just so soulful. Do you like any visual arts?
Yes, I love painting. I find it so relaxing and expressive. What about you?
I'm really into photography. Capturing moments and turning them into art is fascinating to me. Do you visit art galleries?
Whenever I get the chance. I love discovering new artists and seeing different styles. Do you have a favorite gallery?
The MoMA in New York is my favorite. There's so much to see and it's always inspiring. What kind of art do you enjoy most?
I love Impressionist paintings. The use of light and color is just beautiful. Do you have a favorite artist?
Van Gogh. His work is so emotive and unique. Have you seen any of his paintings in person?
Yes, I saw Starry Night at the MoMA. It was breathtaking. Have you?
I've seen some of his work at the Van Gogh Museum in Amsterdam. It was incredible.
That must have been amazing. Do you create any art yourself?
I dabble in photography and digital art. It's a fun way to express myself. Do you create art too?
Yes, I paint and sketch. It's a great way to relax and get my creative juices flowing. Do you think there's a connection between music and art?
Definitely. Both are forms of expression and can evoke strong emotions. Sometimes I listen to music while creating art. How about you?
Same here. Music can set the mood and inspire my work. Do you think art can change the way we see the world?
Absolutely. Art can open our eyes to new perspectives and make us think differently. It's powerful. Do you have a favorite art movement?
I'm a big fan of the Renaissance. The skill and detail in the works from that period are incredible. What about you?
I love the Impressionist movement. The way they captured light and movement is just amazing. Here's a joke for you. Why did the artist get in trouble?
Haha, I don't know. Why?
Because he was framed.
Good one, Ethan. So, do you think music and art can influence each other?
Definitely. Many musicians are inspired by visual art and vice versa. They both tell stories in their own ways. Do you have a favorite art-themed movie?
Loving Vincent. The entire movie is animated with whale paintings. It's stunning. Have you seen it?
Yes, it's beautiful. I also love Frida. It's such a powerful portrayal of Frida Kahlo's life and work.
That's a great one too. Do you think schools should focus more on arts education?
Absolutely. Arts education fosters creativity and critical thinking. It's just as important as any other subject. Do you agree?
Totally. The arts enrich our lives and help us see the world in different ways. Here's to more art and music in our lives.
Cheers to that. Do you have any upcoming art projects or music you're excited about?
I'm planning to start a new painting series inspired by my travels. And you?
I'm working on a photo series about city life, capturing the everyday moments that make city life unique. Do you have any art exhibitions you're looking forward to?
There's a contemporary art exhibition coming up in town that I'm really excited about. How about you?
There's a jazz festival next month that I'm looking forward to. Music and art all in one place. Do you have any tips for someone wanting to get into art or music?
Just start and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Creativity comes from experimenting and learning. What's your advice?
I'd say the same. And find what you're passionate about. Whether it's music or art, let it inspire you and have fun with it.
Great advice, Ethan. I can't wait to see your photo series. Let's keep sharing our art and music discoveries.
Absolutely, Ava. It's always great to share and get inspired by each other. Happy creating.
Happy creating, Ethan. Talk soon.